If your carrots are thin, pale, and lacking real flavor, the problem is almost never the seeds. Most often, it comes down to the soil and improper feeding. Carrots need loose, light soil without stones because in hard and compacted ground, they cannot develop properly. In such conditions, they fork, stay small, or grow sideways instead of deep. The soil must be airy and fine so the root can grow freely. Another common mistake is overusing fertilizers rich in nitrogen. When carrots receive too much nitrogen, the tops become lush and dark green, but the root underground remains thin and weak. Carrots benefit much more from potassium and trace elements, as these directly affect root thickness, sweetness, and firmness. When these nutrients are present in the right amounts, carrots grow straight, large, and healthy. Watering is also very important. Instead of frequent shallow watering, it is far better to water less often but thoroughly. This encourages the root to grow deeper into the soil and become stronger. One more thing many people don't know: fresh manure should never be used before planting carrots. It almost always results in deformed, forked roots. If you find these tips useful and want more proven, practical gardening advice, support the work with a like and a subscription so you don't miss future tips. Proper organic feeding at the right time makes a huge difference. Carrots respond best to a simple, natural mixture that strengthens the root and improves overall quality. Organic carrot feeding recipe. Add 1 cup of wood ash and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice to 10 liters of water. Mix well and let it stand for 1 to 2 hours. Use this solution to water the soil around the plants, never the leaves. Apply once every 14 days when the carrots enter their main growth phase. This feeding strengthens the root system, increases carrot thickness, enhances natural sweetness, and reduces cracking and disease. The result is healthy, large, firm carrots that are easy to harvest. If this text was helpful, share it on social media so others can enjoy a more productive and successful garden as well.